Do you know what happens when you put Mentos in Coke?
Super Duper Labs.
Hello, welcome to Super Duper Labs. Today we're going to be dropping Mentos in Coke and then watch it explode in super duper slow motion. Let's do it. The first step is to get some Mentos and eat one while your dad's not watching. First poke a hole in the Mentos and make sure a grown-up is watching you or helping you. Next, thread through the Mentos and make sure you don't poke your finger. You should have 4 or 5 Mentos per bottle of Coke. Now cut the strings and tie it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the Coke bottle lid and then we drop Mentos in the Coke when we're ready and watch it explode. Let's go! First we're going to try with one bottle. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
On all of you, get ready to stop. When I say stop, don't move. When I say get it, I want all of y'all to go boogie. Hold it now. Boogie woogie.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Super Duper Labs. See you next time. Bye.